Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your extreme cold weather survival plan. What are you going to do if the area you live in gets hit with an extremely cold weather front that just totally, beyond insane reason cold for a short period of time? Now, some people are going to say, well, not every area of the United States gets extreme cold. Well, for your area, 28 degrees for 2 weeks could be extremely cold. It's happened before where in Florida, the warmest, one of the warmest states of the union, got so cold that a lot of the orange trees froze and they lost the orange crops. So it's not necessarily the fact that you're going to have a ton of snow and you're going to be trapped in your house and not be able to get out. It just may be extremely cold. You may still be able to get to the store and everything else, but how are you going to deal with that extreme cold? That's what you need to plan for. Your plan needs to take into account what's going to happen if temperatures drop 10 degrees below normal, 20 degrees below normal, bleh. Or whether it's 50 degrees below normal. So plan out what you need to do for when this happens. Is it going to be cold enough so that the water lines coming to your house freeze? Is your well pump going to freeze? What is it that is going to be affected by extreme cold weather that you normally don't get? And how are you going to deal with it? All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. And please plant an indoor garden. You need to have fresh vegetables and fruit available to you because what they're selling in the store right now is not very good.